Begin a captivating journey of language acquisition with Al Walid Academy's Arabic course. Tailored to accommodate learners of all levels, our course offers a comprehensive and immersive experience in mastering the intricacies of the Arabic language. What will I learn? Take a journey into learning Arabic with Al Walid Academy's course. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve, this course is designed for everyone. Here's what you'll learn. 1. Arabic ABCs. Begin by learning the Arabic alphabet, the building blocks for reading and writing. 2. Everyday words. Build a basic vocabulary for real-life situations to help you communicate effectively. 3. Grammar basics. Explore simple grammar rules to understand how sentences are structured. 4. Talking practice. Improve your ability to have conversations through interactive sessions. 5. Listening and speaking. Get better at understanding spoken Arabic and expressing yourself confidently. 6. Reading skills. Work with different texts to enhance your ability to read in Arabic. 7. Writing practice. Practice writing in Arabic to express your thoughts clearly. 8. Learn about culture. Understand Arabic culture to appreciate the language in context. 9. Use Arabic in real life. Apply what you learn to real-world situations. 10. Personalized help. Get guidance from experienced teachers in a supportive learning environment. What sets our Arabic course apart is its commitment to developing your conversational fluency. Through interactive sessions, you'll engage in meaningful dialogues, fostering the ability to communicate effectively in real-life situations. Furthermore, immersive listening and speaking practices with Arabic audio content will refine your language skills, enabling you to understand and express yourself with confidence. As you navigate the course, you'll enhance your reading comprehension by working with a variety of texts, ranging from simple to more complex. Writing exercises will complement your learning journey, allowing you to articulate your thoughts and ideas in clear Arabic script. Enroll in Al Walid Academy's Arabic course to immerse yourself not only in language acquisition, but also in a culturally enriched and engaging educational experience. Whether you're starting from scratch or seeking to enhance your proficiency, our course is designed to meet your language learning goals. Join a community of passionate learners and explore the richness of the Arabic language and its cultural context. Join Al Walid Academy's Earn Arabic language course to build a strong foundation in Arabic. It's for everyone, whether you're just starting out or want to improve your skills. Join our community of learners dedicated to mastering this influential language.